I've been having fun with AI and recently was waxing nostalgic for the old days of the online world before the World Wide Web. And I was on America Online in one of the early versions. Version 3.0 is the one that really went mainstream. And I thought, well, let's see if I can go to Claude and recreate the AOL experience. So you can basically go in here to the thing I've created and just put in whatever screen name and password you want. If you click these here, they're really just there for comedy because obviously you don't have to set up anything and there are no real access numbers. And if you need help, I encourage you to click on help me if you can there and see what happens. We're just going to go ahead and sign on. Again, any username and password. Oh, the familiar sounds, the dial tone. And yeah, I might have gotten a little crazy with the connection sounds. But there we go. And
Welcome. You've got mail.
I didn't want to use the copyright and trademark voices here. It's just a fun little prototype, but it is populated with mail for you to read in here. So, you got your billing statement and terms of service violation. Might want to check into that there and make sure everything's okay. And you've got buddies here that let's see. Whoa, there's one online. Family members here and we can chat with them. Hey, what's happening? And look, they're online, they're typing back. Feels so AOL. We have channels, and we can click on entertainment. And let's check the entertainment news. And this is actually pulling from the Times, which is 1985. That's when we're stuck in here. So you can see Independence Day opens huge, The Rock, Twister, Fargo. This is like a time machine, a time capsule for you. And there's a bunch of other channels you can check into. And you can go to the download. And guess what? This is actual shareware available from the Times. You can actually click on any one of these and download it direct to your machine. There's some other features here as well, but I think this is just a fun way to tap back into that nostalgia that we all have. It's at aol.artificialintelligence.studio, and I hope that you have fun with it.